Today, we're going to show you how to apply some different vehicle accent packages. We've got rocker kit packages that go down at the bottom that look amazing. Fender flare kits, do all four of your fender flares. Give them a camouflage accent. We've got rear quarter panel graphics that go right behind your back tire and run all the way top and bottom of your bed. Look great. 4x4 decals. We've got tailgate graphics, amazing wildlife imagery with camouflage all the way around them. Now, one of the things we have to cover is the preparation of your vehicle, and this is key to the application process. So what you want to do is make sure you take some good soap and water and wash the vehicle. Get into all the nooks and crannies, wherever this product's going to go. Make sure that you've got the vehicle good and clean, and then you're ready to use your wax and grease remover and take and strip all the wax off of that area. Now, once you've got that done, make sure your vehicle's in an environment somewhere between 60 and 95 degrees. And once your vehicle's at that temperature, you're ready to do the application process. Now we're going to show you how to apply a tailgate graphic. And one of the first things you want to do is get this positioned. It's pre-cut, and you've got a little extra room to play, so look at the badging on the back of your vehicle. If there's something there that you want to move that around a little bit, you've got a little room to work. This particular truck has one right in the center. So we've moved it over to the left just a little bit so that it doesn't interfere with some of the wildlife that's in the center. So now that we've got it positioned and taped into place, we've put a hinge in the center with about 3 or 4 pieces of masking tape. We're going to pull the backing off and expose the adhesive. So you're going to be working from the middle up to the top of the tailgate and from the middle down. Now, one of the things with the badging, the 4x4 and all the other badging that comes with the tailgates, they all vary depending on what brand of vehicle you've got. Some of those can be removed. Just cut the paper backing loose and you're ready to lay your vinyl. Now just take your material and lift it up in the center. Stick it up to the top of your tailgate. Now you can reposition this cast vinyl system. It's the beauty of it. So as you position it, you're going to pull the material from the center out. You want to start is with the high spots. This particular truck has a pretty good fin on the back, high on the tailgate. So he's going to start on that high spot and attach the vinyl. What we're doing now is just following the contour lines of the tailgate, working our way into the material and into the middle. So you start with the high spots if there are some, and then if there's not, you want to start from the middle and work your way up to the top of the tailgate. Pull the backing off the other half and then lay that piece down along your body line. One of the great features with the cast vinyl system is how you can work with the material. You can heat it up and draw some of those wrinkles out of the material. You want to keep your heat gun about 1 foot to 6 inches away from the vinyl. You're warming it up, you can watch the material change. Some of the wrinkles will come out of it, and you can actually take that piece and stretch it slightly and then stick it to the bottom of the tailgate. So you can work that squeegee on an angle left to right as well to push that material down into that groove. You want to kind of keep the material stuck on an even plane. You don't want to go all the way to the bottom on one side. You want to kind of evenly work it down. You can watch how he puts some tension with his opposite hand that his squeegee's not in. He's pulling. If you do get a wrinkle, just reach your hand back underneath it, pull it free, put a little heat on it, which kind of eliminates the stretch that you've put in it by pulling it back loose, and then go back to your squeegee again. He's pulling gently on that material to stretch it and to help alleviate any of the wrinkles in it. He's working with the heat around the emblem in the center of the tailgate. And by taking his pen and putting a few air release holes over that badge, gives that trapped air a place to escape through. And you can see the heat will reduce the wrinkles. Let it cool down a little bit so the material's not so soft, and then you can come back and trim around that. You can give it a few seconds to cool down and just continue on. And once that material's had time to cool, then you can take a sharp X-Acto knife or cutting blade and just carefully trim around that, angling in towards the plastic badge. That way, with the angle of the knife towards the badge, you can keep the point off of the paint job. There you have it. Now you just basically finish out the trim. You've got the sides, the bottom, and the top of the tailgate. Once again, just keep your knife edge flush with the paint. And once you've trimmed it out, your tailgate graphics is applied. And once you've got the sides and you've basically trimmed up your tailgate, don't forget to go in and trim out your handle, because you may want to open your tailgate pretty soon. Maintenance on this product is no maintenance at all. Once it's applied, you're ready to go out in the field. Well, there's the tailgate graphic all finished. Wow, that's just a beautiful, beautiful wildlife image. It's cut out around the edges. It looks like you're just peering through the woods at the deer. So visit our website and find something that'll work great for your truck. After you're all through and the installation's complete, you want to go back with heat from your heat gun and firm pressure with your squeegee all over the graphics. And what this will do is this will help set the graphics, and it'll create a new memory to ensure proper adhesion. After your project's complete, you want to keep the product in 60 degrees or warmer for as long as possible after the application. At least 12 hours is ideal before exposing it to either cold or wet climates. This will help strengthen the graphics bond to the surface. Make sure you review our tips and tricks video section to learn more about helpful installation techniques. Contact our customer service department at 888-449-6558 for further application support. Now that you've seen how Mossy graphics are applied and how easy it is, the application process, maintenance free, we just want you to go out and enjoy our products, and we hope to see you out in the field. Thanks for watching.